Hello everyone, my name is Andrew. I'm the founder of NFTMASTER. NFTMASTER is an NFT marketplace built on the XRP ledger, and today we're going to go through how to create a collection and how to mint an NFT. So we're going to press connect wallet. Now all of these transactions will be on the XLS-20D DevNet. It's not on the mainnet yet because NFTs aren't live on the mainnet. So if you don't know how to set your wallet up for the XLS-20D DevNet, I've got a video and I'll leave the link to that in the description. Once we've pressed a connect wallet, we're going to press sign and there'll be a sign in QR code. Now we're going to sign this on our sign wallet and then slide to accept. Now that we've signed that, we're into our account and we're going to press create. Now you can see there's a bunch of options for things that we can create. We create an NFT collection, whitelist, and soon we'll have bulk NFTs, subscriptions, and location-based NFTs. We can see a list of all of our collections here and all of our whitelists. So I've already created a whitelist there. Now, first we're going to want to create a collection. So you're going to want to create a collection and then you're going to want to assign the NFTs under that collection. So you're going to press collection and we'll select a profile image for the collection. Just got one here of NFTMASTER, and we'll select a banner image as well. Now that we've set those images, we're just going to want a name for this collection. So I'm going to put it as NFTMASTER. We'll put a description for this collection as well. Now that we've entered the description, you could also add an external link to your website. So this might have more information about the collection. We also have a Twitter link here that might lead to a Twitter account and a Discord link that might be an invitation to your Discord. The final field here is a taxon field. Now this essentially is the ID on the ledger. So you can put a number here and it has to be an integer number. So for example, it can't be a decimal. So for this one, we're just going to randomly put it as 8, and that's our taxon number now. So later on, this will be the ID to the collection. We're just going to want to press create now. And we can see that the collection has now been created. So now that we've created the collection, we could actually mint NFTs under that collection. So we're going to go to create again, and we're going to press NFT. Now you're introduced to the purchase mint credit page. This is where you can purchase credits to mint NFTs. So this involves the cost of pinning the files to IPFS, which includes the metadata file and also the asset itself, which may be an image or a video or a song. So we're going to quickly purchase a pack of say 1000 NFT mint credits for 500 XRP. Purchase, and we're going to press buy now. You'll see that there's a push notification automatically to your phone. Now, if there isn't, you could just simply scan that QR code. We're going to press it here and we could review the transaction on the SAR map. So it says 500 XRP and it says 1000 mint credits, and we're going to slide to accept. So it's just verifying on the SAR map now. There we are, it's done. Now that that's finished, you could actually see in your account here, you have 1000 mint credits. You could also see that we've purchased 1000 mint credits prior. And as you can see, I've purchased one before and I've also used one in the mint. So now that we've purchased this 1000 mint credits, we can see it here and we can actually go and mint an NFT now. So we press mint NFT here. And now we're in the NFT mint page. So you can see here we have 1000 mint credits, and we could actually upload different media types. So we have image, which can be a PNG or JPEG. We have audio, which is MP3 files, animation, which is GIFs, and videos, which is MP4 files. So if we do select, say, video, you'll see another file input here. So we have the original image. This would be the image that people see on say an explore page, and we also have the MP4 file uploaded here as well. So when you're actually minting this NFT, you'll actually have two assets within the same NFT. So what we do is we create a field in the metadata for an image field, and we also create a field in there for the video as well. But for this example, we're just going to create a image NFT. So we'll select image. Now that we've selected image, we're going to upload an image. I've just got an image here of Earth. We'll put in here a title as well. And we could also put a description. You can now select a category as well. So this will also be in the metadata file. And this allows people to filter by, say, art or gaming in the explore page. So for this example, we'll put art. And this is the external link here. Now this could be an external link to your website where you have, say, more information about the NFT, and this will be in the metadata file as well. The next field we have is the collection, and this is actually a drop down. So if you select this, and we can see the name of the collection that we had prior and its taxon number, which is essentially like an ID. Now that we've selected the collection, we could add some properties. So for example, we'll put planet and Earth, and we could add a royalty to this. So this is essentially the transfer fee. So whenever a NFT is transferred from one person to another, the original owner, which will be yourself, will get this percentage back. Okay, and NFTMASTER doesn't take any royalty fees. We only have mint credits, which is essentially the ability to mint, and we also have brokerage fees, which is essentially whenever someone buys or sells an NFT on our site. Okay, so we're not receiving any of your royalties. So for example, we'll put 12%. Now explicit content, if the content is for audiences over 18, so we can filter that out. And we have location based NFTs coming soon, but we don't need to select any of these. We can review all of our information now. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom and press create. Now that we've pressed create, you'll see that it's uploading the files to IPFS, which includes the metadata file and also the asset itself, which might be the image. You can see the mint transaction is now popped up for a QR code, and it's also pushed the notification to my phone. I'm going to select it on my phone, and you'll see the taxon, which is essentially the collection ID. Now, the way that we find the collection is by your address and the taxon in combination. So it doesn't need to be unique to other people's taxon, it just needs to be unique to your own. You could see here the URI link, and that's going to link to the metadata file that also has that image as another IPFS link. We also have the transfer fee here, which is 12%, which is similar to that royalty. And you have the memo, and we also have the flags. Now, at the moment, you're unable to set the flags, but we do have it as you're able to burn the tokens, and also they're transferable. And we have the transaction fee. So we're going to slide to accept this mint transaction. So it's just signing now. That's finished. I could close that. And now you can see on our page here, we've minted that NFT. If you go to view account, you'll now see that NFT in your collected and also in your created. Okay, and if we go over to activity here, you can see that this token has now been minted. If you press this, you'll get redirected to an explorer that essentially says the same thing. And if we go over here, we could see our mint credit page. And you could see that now that we've minted that NFT, it's taken 1 mint credit out of our account, and we now have 999 NFT mint credits. Now, before we finish, let's check out the collection that we've just created. So if we go over here to the top right and we press on our wallet, we have a selection here called collections. We can now see the collection name that we've just created, the profile image for that, and also the taxon. Let's go to view collection, and we can see this collection now in here. We have the banner image that we've chosen before. We also have the profile image, and we also have that NFT in here as well. If we press activity, we could see any activity, so there's no current activity on this NFT or this collection. We also have the links to the socials, so we didn't add any prior, so that's why they're not here. And if you want to go back and say edit the name of the collection or add these socials in, you could simply hover over the profile image or the banner image, or you can go to the collections page and then select edit on this collection. Now we'll just press it from here, and as you can see, we have the collection name in here. We didn't have any external link or Twitter link, but we could add those in and then press update, and then we'll have our collection updated. So that's how you create collections, NFTs, and how to then edit and view information about your collection. Thanks for watching, guys.